If you are looking for a dining room table, might I suggest this stunner from West Elm. So the table and the chairs are all from West Elm. I am in love. So I wanted to show you underneath the table here. Just absolutely gorgeous. The craftsmanship is amazing. And I did get the leaf, and you have these latches that make sure it's locked into place on each side. The wood is just absolutely beautiful. And then the chairs finally arrived. I'm so excited. They are so comfortable, of course, beautiful. So you have this high density foam. I do love that on the chairs, you have the kind of, I'm going to call it the curve for your behind. And again, sturdy, but yet lightweight and just beautiful. On the back of the chair, it's extra comfortable as well because you have the rounded back. And I do love that with just one hand, you can push these in. I love that it is such a sleek look and that the chairs just peek above the top of the table. I just really can't say enough great things about it. So if you are looking for a new dining room table, this one is a winner. And I'm also going to try to tag for you my little glass stand here and my side table. These are all from West Elm as well. Absolutely love their items. They are built to last and they are just gorgeous.